Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code for data analysis. Cloud Code can help you analyze data, clean datasets, write SQL queries, create reports, generate visualizations, and identifying trends without manually writing every line of code. It's useful for working with spreadsheets, CSV files, databases, APIs, and large datasets. So what could it analyze in general? Well, Cloud can help with CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, API data, log files, business report, sales data, user analytics, and instead of manually exploring the data, you can ask Cloud questions in plain English. The first thing to do is to load your data. Start by going here, click on the plus button, and add files or photo. And then choose and upload the file that you want. That should be either in one of the previous files that I've mentioned. So you could go, for example, here and update your file. Once you did that, and once you can access this data, it can begin exploring and analyzing it. Before running advanced analysis, ask Cloud to summarize the datasets so you can see if it understands it exactly. So you can go ahead and write prompt like explain the structure of this database or datasets and identify important columns and data types and find missing or inconsistent values. And once this helps you understand what data is available before making the decision, and of course, once you have done all of that, you can literally ask the business questions like what are the top 10 products, which customers generate the most revenue, etc. And yeah, despite that, you already are analyzing your data using Cloud. So yeah, thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. And see you guys in the next upcoming video.